Need to book a flight last minute and don't want to break the bank? We've all been there, scrambling to find a ticket that doesn't cost a fortune. But don't worry, it's possible to find affordable options even at the last minute. Here are some quick tips to snag those cheap tickets. These strategies can help you save money and make your travel plans less stressful. First, use flight comparison websites like Google Flights or Skyscanner. These platforms allow you to compare prices across multiple airlines, giving you a better chance of finding a good deal. Set fare alerts to get notified when prices drop. This way, you can jump on a deal as soon as it becomes available. Check budget airlines for last-minute deals. These airlines often have lower prices for spontaneous travelers. Be flexible with your dates and nearby airports. Sometimes flying a day earlier or later or from a different airport can make a big difference in price. Use points or miles if you've got them. Frequent flyer miles or credit card points can be a lifesaver for last-minute travel. Look for error fares. Websites like Secret Flying sometimes list huge discounts due to mistakes. Keep an eye on these sites for unexpected deals. With these tips, you'll be on your way without breaking the bank. Safe travels.